Good morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a much calmer forecast for you today. We've got plenty of sunshine, just a little bit of a light breeze out there this morning. We're in store for a couple dry days, a couple quiet days as we head into Friday. Saturday into Sunday, things change a little bit. Actually, have a fairly potent storm system moving in that is going to do a couple things. First of all, it's going to drop temperatures as we head into both Saturday and Sunday. We're talking about much cooler temperatures, very fall-like weather. The first day, official day of fall, is on Sunday, so very fitting for that. But also, we're looking at precipitation. A lot of rain falling Saturday night into Sunday morning. Rain at the lower elevations, snow. Accumulating snow up in the high country and potentially at pass levels. So we'll talk more about that in just a bit, but let's take you to some of those wind speeds. You know, we had a weather impact day yesterday because of the severe storms that went through. And I'm getting a lot of feedback like, what? I didn't experience any severe storms out there, because they were different kind of storms. The severity of the storms was the winds. They were dangerous wind speeds with these severe storms, not tornadoes. We're not talking about hail, even though some of the storms did have some hail in them as well. But the impact of the storms that blew through yesterday, that line of storms, first of all, very quick moving line of storms, but also was the winds and the potentially damaging winds, and that's why we called that Weather Impact Day. So here's some of the wind speeds. Some of the peak ones: Rush, 75 mile per hour wind speeds recorded there. 72 mile per hour wind speeds recorded in Lamar. 71 miles wind speed were clocked in Sterling. And closer to the metro area, 58 miles per hour. That was the peak gust at Chatfield, and 54 at Castle Rock. So very impressive. Still, these are damaging wind speeds, and thus merit the severe thunderstorm warning. Weather impacts for the rest of the day. The rest of the day and the rest of the week, actually. We are going to be warm and quiet as we head toward the end of the week. Sunny and breezy today through Friday. We do have that weekend storm I talked about, bringing rain to the lower elevations, snow up to the upper elevations. And again, fall arrives on Sunday with very fall-like weather following. Current temperatures out there were in the 70s for the most part across the plains, 50s, 60s up in the mountains. Your forecast for the metro area today: sunny and warm. Temperatures climbing to about 83 degrees. Our normal high for this time of year is 79, so we'll be a few degrees above that. Still going to be a little bit breezy in the foothills. Those winds calming down as we head into the evening hours. Forecast highs, once again, another day of 80s across the plains, 60s, 70s in the mountains. Taking a look at our satellite radar, we have a little ridge of high pressure building in, and that storm system that brought us the strong winds yesterday, pushing off to our north and east. That ridge of high pressure clearing out the clouds, so we are quiet. But again, still getting a bit of that southwesterly flow over the area, at least for the first part of the day. Those winds will shift out of the northeast by the evening hours, but again, we're getting 28 mile per hour wind gusts up in Boulder, 25 mile per hour wind gusts in Longmont. Same goes for Estes Park. So certainly breezy in the foothills and close to the foothills. And our wind gust forecast, again, still going to be breezy. We're talking 40 mile per hour wind gusts up in Netherlands as we head into the afternoon and into the evening hours. So expect breezy conditions to continue in the foothills. Tonight, though, those winds decrease. Expect a clear and a cool night with temperatures dropping back down into the 40s. So going to be a chilly morning tomorrow morning. We're looking at 40s and 50s across the plains, 30s and 40s up in the high country. Breezy at times tomorrow, mostly sunny. Those winds out of the south, 10 to 20 miles per hour. We're going to make it up to 86 degrees, so even warmer tomorrow. As for our futurecast for today, we are dry out there, just a few clouds moving in from the north. Our big change comes when this trough of low pressure, it's a pretty strong trough, moves over the state on Saturday and Sunday, and that's going to usher in not only a cold front dropping the temperatures, but a good amount of moisture Saturday into Sunday morning. So we're looking at potentially impressive rain amounts. This is a Saturday night. You can see widespread rain across the state. certainly here in the metro area, and we're looking at mountain snow all the way through Sunday about midday. So again, we're going to get some pretty impressive, it's looking like rain totals Saturday night into Sunday morning, potentially impressive snow totals up in the high country. Up until then, we're looking at temperatures climbing into the mid to upper 80s by Friday, and then that big cool down, we're looking at a high of 72 on Saturday. Low to mid 60s on Sunday, with that rain continuing until about midday, and we're back to more seasonal temperatures with a high of 76 on Monday. It's going to be a cool day on Tuesday with a high of 72. That is a quick look at your weather on this Wednesday. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.